Okay, this is a short vlogging test. It's a overcast day, but it's fairly bright, and we're on the super view settings of the GoPro 6, and we're gonna walk over to my little outdoor workout gym and see how this performs. So I am going to switch the camera around facing forward, and we'll take a walk over there. Okay, we're facing forward, and I'll readjust the camera. Help if we get it in pan follow. There we go. Little double tap there to reset the vertical. Once we get over to the outdoor workout gym, we'll set the camera down and let's look both ways. Now I'm on the M2 gimbal, and I've got the tripod legs attached, and I'm kind of holding between the handle and the tripod legs, so I can extend it out a little further. So we're going to set the camera down, open up the tripod legs, that looks about right. Set number one, and we're going to see how that looks. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, we've switched the GoPro over in the 1080p mode. We'll set the camera back down, and we'll go do set number two. Around the worlds. So we're going to pick up the camera and gimbal, and we're going to walk back. Now we're filming in 1080. All the other settings are exactly the same. All I switched was the resolution. Hopefully the exposure's good. Had a car coming. switch around into the vlogging mode again in 1080. The sun's about at a 45-degree angle because it's the middle of November here in southeastern Connecticut. So the lighting is a little indirect. So this is in the 1080p mode. Switch the camera back around. And I'm going to go underslung mode here. Low to the ground. Bring it back up. And I should note, I do have an ND filter on because I'm shooting a shutter speed of 1/60 and we're shooting at 30 FPS. So the ND filter certainly helps. And follow, turn around. And that completes this short test vlog using the GoPro Hero 6 and the M2 gimbal. GoPro stop recording.